What's going on, guys? Today we're going to install the Ohlins SD 042 for the 2019 ZX6R. I'll show you what you need to do to put this together for your bike and talk about why you need to install this damper for street and track use. So let's jump straight in. First, you're going to want to remove your old head tube bolt with a 12mm hex drive socket. Toss that part out and the washer out, and use the bolt and spacer that are supplied by Ohlins. Now remove your tank bolts and install the damper guide with the supplied bolts. Put the plastic washer and spacer in place on the damper holder, then install the bolt with some Loctite onto the head tube carrier. You may need to pry the damper holder just a touch to slide in the damper itself. To make sure I'm using the full range of motion, I turn my bars fully to the left and compress the damper almost fully, leaving a little bit of space before it bottoms out. Doing it this way prevents the damper from bottoming out in the event of a crash. I also recommend installing a steering stop for additional insurance. All that's left is to tighten the rest of the bolts down and the head tube bolt. With the damper installed, let's show some before and after footage at the track. This video is me at Chuckwalla without any damper installed. You can see just how bad the oscillations got during upshifts and hard braking. This made it very difficult for me to give confidence to the bike during practice, let alone in an actual race. Now here's a full lap after the Ohlins 42 install. I left the bottom video up from a practice session without the damper so you can see how much more stable the bike is during upshifts, braking, and cornering. As I go through the lap, let me talk about whether or not you should get this damper over the stock one that comes with the bike. If you are more than just a typical commuter, hands down, yes. I cannot say enough that it really changes how much confidence and stability this gives you. Despite its pretty hefty price tag, I'd say this is as much of a safety device as, say, your riding gear. For anyone who's been in a tank slapper, you'll know exactly how impossible it may be at the time to get the bike going straight again. So, do you want to gamble with high-speed wobble on the stock damper, or get something that's been proven? I'll leave that up to you to decide. Even with lap traffic, I still managed a full 3 seconds over typical practice pace from prior. Alright, that's it for this video. Be sure to leave a comment and let me know what you think about aftermarket dampers on your bikes. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.